In version 3.2 of cellSens software, we've added a functionality that enables you to create a restore point containing your personalized parameters. If you ever migrate the software to a new PC or need to reinstall the program for any reason, this functionality enables you to easily reload all of your configurations, settings, and calibrations. The first step is to create a system restore point to save your current parameters. Select Acquire, Devices, Create System Restore Point. A message appears to warn you that this process will automatically close and restart the software. Make sure that you have saved any work or images you have open in the program before you start this process, and then select OK. Choose the location where you would like to save the restore point, and then select Save. By default, this system restore point will save everything in Device List, Device Settings, Device Customization, and Calibrations. Layouts and camera settings will be saved if the Public Save option was selected. To set the camera settings to public, go to the toolbar above the Live and Snapshot buttons. Click the Show More button, and then click the Save Camera Settings As. Name the file and make sure to set the access to public. To save a layout as public, in the upper right-hand corner, click Layout and Save Current Layout As. Name the file and make sure to set the access to public. Macros will only be saved if they are published. To publish a macro, go to the Macro Manager tool window. Click Macro Management, and then Publish Macro. Select the macros you wish to publish, and then click OK. Process definitions in the Process Manager will not be saved. However, you can manually save these to a location of your choice. To do this, click the Save Process Definition button at the top of Process Manager tool window. Name the file, and then save it. Note that experiments in Experiment Manager will not be saved either, but like process definitions, they can be saved manually. Simply click the Save Experiment button at the top of the Experiment Manager tool window. To restore a system restore point, go to Acquire, Devices, Restore System Restore Point. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit olympus-lifescience.com.